what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you my project based on the Cypress PSoC 6. I don't know if it pronounced like that, but I call PSoC 6. This project basically is a Bluetooth gateway, so I'm collecting different kind of Bluetooth devices, and then I just analyze some data inside the beacon frame to control, for example, in this case, to control a light. So this board here is the Cypress development board, and this one is a board that I developed for another project, which basically I'm controlling two AC channels up to 4 amps, so I can control lights or any kind of AC loads up to, of course, up to 4 amps. Um, the idea basically is to control things without touching it. So due to COVID-19, we need to keep away from some things like light switch uh, on public place, for example, hospital and places like that. So instead of touching it, you can control using a beacon device like this one. Actually, this light right now is being controlled by this beacon over here. So if I switch it off, there is a timer. So 10 seconds later, the light will turn off. So I can control lights from the distance. For example, if I'm getting close to the gateway, the light turns on, like, or off, like that. And then if I turn on, and that's it. So basically, what I'm doing here, I'm just analyzing some beacon data, and then I can determine, for example, I can prepare different kind of rules. For example, I can use just the MAC address, or I can use a specific kind of beacon data. For example, in the Addstone UID, I can use the namespace as my shared key or my one-time password, something like that, and then the UID to control different states, for example, channel 1 and channel 2 on and off. And then I can, for example, say that I want to publish this information to some sort of cloud or something like that. For example, the AWS, the Amazon Web Services. So using this, I can not only control lights or any kind of device, but I can track, for example, if this specific beacon was close to this gateway, or even people using, for example, this kind of beacon gadget, which is the badge. It's a beacon in a badge format. So I can track people, I can track assets, so I can I don't know, there is any kind of possibility, all kind of possibilities, sorry. So one of them is to track people or assets, as I said, or even to control things. Another good thing about that, it's kind of connectionless, so you don't need to pair your device. So you can, for example, use a app. For example, let's turn it off using this. Just one moment. Okay, so now I'm going to use an it's a beacon simulator over here, so I can turn on and off using my mobile phone. So you can, there is a world of possibilities. But today, what I'm doing here is just collecting beacon data and then analyzing it. And after that, I will publish on cloud, so I can build any kind of dashboards or analyze later all the data, even for contact tracing application. This is a good solution for schools, for parking lot, for hospital, things that there's a lot of people going in and out. So if you want to avoid touching things, this is a good solution. So this is not, there is no huge security on that, so I can kind of track those devices and then copy the MAC address and the frame, and then I can replicate the information to prepare some kind of attack. But here we are control lights, not nuclear power plants. So security, it is good, but for this case, it is enough. The idea behind using the UID namespace is to create some kind of one-time password. So I can share a key or one-time password from the cloud to the gateway, and then synchronize that using in a mobile app or something like that. For devices like this one, it's not really possible because they are not connected to the internet. So I can have some kind of shared key or some kind of OTP running inside the device, but in terms of power consumption, is not the best approach to do. So this is my project. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.